India is going to see one of its worst winters this year. And I'll tell you exactly what is happening. So there is a climatic phenomena called the La Nina. And whenever it happens, India sees several climatic events. Firstly, the monsoon that year is more than usual. So much that cities in north of India start flooding. This is followed by an October to February, which is biting cold, much colder than what we've experienced in the past several years. And when La Nina happened in India in say 2012, 2013, it saw a rise in demand by 20% of this one product, which there wasn't enough in the market, which is why the prices went up by 15%. And I'm talking about geysers as well as oil heaters, which is why don't defer your purchase to later months. If you need to buy these appliances, you must do it right away. The second thing is, whenever La Nina happens, the rise in pollution in those cities goes up by 30% compared to previous years. And Delhi will possibly have the worst pollution this year. And you may see a jump in traders wanting to sell wearable air purifiers. But that's not all. There's actually an industry which is predicting massive growth. And that is the pharma industry selling respiratory drugs and respiratory equipment. Which is why if you have elders in your family or people with respiratory troubles, you need to ensure they stay inside or maybe move them to some other place for the next 3 to 4 months because things are going to get really bad. In addition, there are two industries which are seeing a negative outlook. One, of course, is aviation, where flight delays and cancellations are going to be more compared to previous years because of visibility issues. And the second is construction. A lot more in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.